talk to your friends also, make a quick story about it. Bring in your friend's image onto Scratch also if you would like, or your brothers or sisters or your parents, whoever it might be, right? And create a story in animation, create greeting cards, etc., etc. So you can do anything with Scratch, right? And you'll be able to share that online. You can create your own projects, share it online with your friends, with relatives, etc. So that way you start off with coding, right? So as you see, it is more interactive, and you learn coding the fun way, right? The Scratch application. So, so with that, I will conclude my talk right here, and Nayan sir and DP ma'am will now take you through the Scratch application, and then show you, since it's a demo today, quickly show you what all you can do. And he's going to also show you how to use these blocks to create a few things, right? And after this demo class, after this is over, we will have the question and answer session wherein the parents or the kids can ask questions about the course, when it is going to start, what is the fees, etc. And any questions that you may have, you can always ask us after the demo is done. Okay. So with that, Nayan, I would request you to please take it over from here. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Mukund sir. So let me share my screen. Okay, so hope everyone is able to see the screen.
Not yet, Nayan.
Now?
Okay, I'm stopping mine. Yes.
Okay, cool. So once again, good evening, everyone. So as you know, Mukund mentioned, so my name is Nayan Mujadia. So let's quickly start today's demo. So let's not go into the introduction of all these things. Let's quickly start what we want to do today. So how many of you do exercise on your daily basis or at least weekly basis? So I would like to have the session interactive. So like probably you can unmute yourself and answer the question. How many of you do the exercise? Yes, no. If yes, why? If no, why? Anyone wants to answer that?
Hello,
Yeah, please go ahead.
I am started from today.
Oh, good. What you started? What you are doing?
I'm doing cycling
Okay.
with my mom. I
Okay,
can do
good.
skipping,
Okay, good. Skipping is really good. Okay.
then more exercise.
Okay, good. So why do we do exercise? Any idea? Yeah, please go ahead.
To keep ourselves fit.
Okay, good. So should we do the exercise, like this lazy elephant, or we should do the exercise a bit intensively, like this, or like this? How should we do it?
Like this one.
Correct.
Like
We
this
should do
one.
it correct. We
This
should do
one,
it.
sir.
Correct. Correct. See, same way, the way we are giving exercise to our body, right? By doing a cycling or a skipping or just, normal walk or anything. Same way, our brain also needs an exercise. We also need to give exercise to our brain. And how we can give the exercise to our brain? By giving a different problem to solve. Let's say if you have any problem, what you do? You first try to think about the solution. Let's say you got some solution, you try it. If it doesn't work, you try something else. So what I'm trying to say that we also need to engage our brain, and also we need to give exercise to our brain. So programming is one of the way by which you can give more exercise to your brain, and we can learn many things. So how many of you like playing games?
Me.
Okay, so can you give
I
me example of any game which you like playing?
yes, carom board.
Okay, good. So do you like always playing football? Okay, good. So do you like making small games on your own, or you like to play on your mobile phone?
Sir, I have done one programming and I have got certificate.
Oh, good. So what programming you have done?
Sir, it is Flappy the bird.
Flappy the bird. Okay, good. And which programming language you used?
Sir, I just done it code.org, sir.
Okay, good. Definitely. So what I'm trying to say that, instead of just using a game, we should become, developer of a game or a producer of a game. Okay, and once you learn all this program, you will be able to gain more insight in the sequencing, repetition, variable, and selection. Anyone knows what is a variable? Have you heard of the variable?
Sequencing, repetition,
Okay,
variable, selection.
so I'm asking, what is a variable? Have you heard of anything like variable or a constant?
Mm,
In mathematics, you might have heard of a constant, maybe, or
no.
a variable.
Yes.
No? Yes? Okay. So I'll tell you what is a variable and what is a constant. So if you see temperature, right? So temperature is like something like keep on changing. So that is known as a variable, the thing which keep on changing. There are certain values like a constant which will be always fixed. Okay. So once you know this programming, you will be able to understand the constants, variables, stuff like that. You will be also able to do, the logical thinking. You will be able to design your algorithm. You will be able to identify the patterns. Okay.
Yes.
And you will be able to, do basic algorithm using this. So let's first, get start with, anyone knows what is algorithm?
Sir.
What? Okay. So let me put you another way. So how many of you like, having some kind of, Bonvita, milk or anything, Horlicks, anything?
Me.
What you like?
Me. Horlicks.
Horlicks. So any idea how you make a Horlicks?
Yes. Add the
How?
powder,
Okay.
take some hot milk, mix,
Okay.
and drink.
Okay, good. So whatever you told, right? It is generally known as a recipe to make a Horlicks. Correct?
Yes.
Same way, if you see on a screen, I have put the steps to make a tea. Okay, so I would call this as a recipe to make a tea. In other way, I can also call this as a algorithm
Yeah.
to make a tea. Correct? So now what I want all of you to take a pen and paper, if you have, and start, drawing a rectangle with your pen and paper. Can you quickly start drawing a rectangle? And once you are done, just let me know. I'll wait here for a minute so that, everyone can start drawing the rectangle.
Sir, done.
Done. Good. So how many sides are there in a rectangle? Any idea? 4. How many angles are there? Do you know what is an angle? Whatever you see here, this is angle. So a rectangle has a 1, 2, 3, and 4 angles. Now I want you to write a steps you followed to draw a rectangle. So can you quickly write a steps? What steps you followed to draw a rectangle?
Take a pen, take
Yeah,
paper,
please.
draw a line, turn 90 degrees. Turn 90 degrees. Draw vertical line, turn 90 degrees. Turn horizontal line, turn 90 degrees. Draw a vertical line, turn 90 degrees.
Okay, good. Anyone else? Sapna, Ritu, Skandana? So what I'm trying to say that whatever step you followed, right? You can say these are the steps to draw a rectangle, or you can say this is an algorithm to draw a rectangle, or also you can say this is a recipe to draw a rectangle. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to quickly start a scratch and I want to draw a rectangle using a scratch. So, this scratch is available online, everyone can install it in their, Windows computer. Even it is there available for your, Android tab also. let me start it. Okay, so
Yes, the
whatever you
application is available for both the Mac and Android, both on desktops and iPads, right, Nayan?
iPad, it is not there. It is there on Android tab. As of now, iPad, it will come. It will take some time.
Okay,
Yeah, they have some so Scratch Junior or something is there.
okay, okay. All right.
Yeah, fine. So if you see on a screen, this is basically nothing but a call a Scratch editor or a Scratch IDE. If you see on this side, right hand side corner, no, this cartoon is there. This is a cat, or you can call this as a
sprite.
Correct. And all this see is a block. Different blocks
Events.
are available.
These are the blocks for motion, for control,
Okay, good.
for sounds,
Okay,
for looks,
okay,
For turning,
okay,
changing
Turning.
angles,
okay, good.
changing color,
Okay, good.
looks.
Now anyone knows how to draw a rectangle? Can anyone help me with that? What should I do first?
draw a horizontal line,
Turn
How
it
should I-
90 degrees.
90 degrees, a
Okay.
vertical line, 90
Okay.
degrees.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. So let's go step by step. Okay. So when you
Yes.
want to do anything, first what you need to do, you need to go to the control,
Control,
or you can go to the event and
And
drag this
flag.
block. What this block says, when green flag is clicked, means when you click this green flag, whatever you want to
Starts.
do, it will happen. Okay.
will start moving.
Correct. It will start. So now
That's
what I
right.
want to do, when green flag is clicked, I want my cat to move, let's say 100
10
steps. So let me quickly do this. You can see when I click, cat moves to 100 steps. Do you see?
Yes.
Now, sorry, let's write something called a reset script. Reset means what? I want my cat to come back to the original position. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I will again go to the motion. I will say, go to x0,
When space
y0,
pressed,
and I will say point in direction 90. So when I press a space bar, you will see cat comes to the original position. Are you following?
yes.
Okay, so we have just done 100 steps. So now, let me draw a 100 step line. So if I want to do that, what I need a pen. So I'll go here and add a pen. So now I have a pen. So whenever, let's say, we want to draw something with a pen on a paper, what should we do? We take a pen and we do pen down. Okay, so I'm doing a pen down here. Let me, now again click on a green flag. Let's see. Are you able to see? Now when I did a pen down and a click on a green flag, it is able to draw a horizontal line. Now what I want to do, I want to come back to original position, so that I can start again and finish my remaining rectangle. So what I will do, that's why I'm putting all this thing in an eraser. So my eraser, what it does, it erases all. It does the pen up, it goes to x0, y0. I will explain this, x0, y0 later, and then point in a direction 90. So when I press a space bar, it comes back. Okay. So we have drawn the 100 step line. Now what we need to do, if we want to draw a rectangle, we need to turn 90 degree. Let's say I'm turning 90 degree clockwise. Okay.
Yes.
After clockwise, again, I need to draw a vertical line. As this is a rectangle, let me put a vertical line as a 90 steps. So let's run this. Okay, how it looks. Do you see? It has drawn the horizontal and then vertical line. But if you see, it is very fast. So what can I do? I can put a wait after each turn, so that it can wait and we can see it properly. So let me put a space bar so that we come back. Now after 90 steps, what I need to do, again I need to turn 90 degree clockwise. Then again I need to put a 100 step because it is a rectangle.
Yeah.
Then again I need to turn 90 degree. And again I need to put a 90 steps, because two sides, opposite sides are equal in a rectangle.
Yes.
Now what I will do, I will put the wait after each turn so that we can see this,
Wait,
you know.
we can
Yes.
see the movement.
Yes, we can see the movement. So let me again try it. So this time I'll go to the full screen and try. Let's see. You see, we are able to draw quickly. So last also, if you want, I can put a one more turn so that, you know, our cat comes to the original position after this. And if I put a space bar, it will clear off. Let me quickly try this again. You see, now we were able to draw a rectangle. Can anyone tell me if I want to draw a square, what should I do? What changes should I do here?
All the lines should be equal.
All the lines should be equal, correct? So wherever I have a 90, no, I will keep it as 100. So my all will be 100. Correct? Now
Yes.
let me try this. Now it should be a, you know, square. All sides are same. Good.
Yep.
Okay. So now, okay, I need some, you know, favorite color. So can anyone tell me what is your favorite color? What I will do instead of
Green.
blue,
Green.
green. Okay, let me go to
Orange.
the orange, green. Okay, let me go to the, you know, pen and choose some color. Instead of blue, we will do some other color. Okay. So let's say I'll choose a green. Let's try first with a green. So now if you see, I am changing the color of a pen and my rectangle became a green color. Okay. Now
Square,
let
sir.
me, sorry, square. So my square became, you know, with a green color. Now, instead of green, if you want, what we will do, we want each side to be, you know, different color. So I can make one side as a green and other side I can do it as a orange. You know, someone said, you know, they want orange. So let's see if we have orange here. Or I think there is another way to, you know, pick like this. That way also you can do it. Yeah. Okay. So what will happen? First line it will draw with a green and then remaining it will draw with a orange. So let's quickly do that. Okay, so this is how you can, you know, quickly change the colors and do many things. Okay, so anyone knows how to draw a triangle?
Yeah.
So how many sides will be there in a triangle?
3.
3 sides.
Three sides. And what will be the angle?
3.
3.
Okay, there will be 3 angles, but what will be the size of the angle? So if you see in a square or a rectangle, I would suggest this is a 90 degree.
90,
Right.
90, 90.
We turn 90. So what about a triangle? What it will be?
120.
Okay. Okay, good. So should
50.
we do? Okay, no, it will be 120. So, you know, let's try. Should we draw a triangle?
Yes.
Okay. So let me draw a triangle. What I will do, again, let me use the same, you know, green color. I will move this. So as triangle has a 3 sides, I will remove one side. I will say, you know, I'll put this is a 100 step and let me see if it works with a 120. So I'll say 120 degree, 100 steps, 120 degree, 100 steps and 120 degree. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it draws proper triangle or it goes out. If there is an issue, then we will fix it. Okay. So can you see? We have drawn the triangle.
So it is upside down.
Yeah. So how you want depends based on that you can do it. I mean, if you change your direction of turning clockwise or anti-clockwise or your start position, you can change the direction. So let me go and do something different. You know, instead of 0.90, let me point it this way. Okay, and see how it goes. See, I change the direction. I
Yeah.
can, if you want, I can again change. If I put it this way and my starting position, I will be able to change the direction again. Okay, this is what you wanted, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Yeah, please.
We need that triangle.
This is a triangle, right?
Yes, sir. The proper triangle.
Correct. So what I'm trying to say, this way you can do, many things. So any other shape, anyone knows what is a pentagon? Heard
Yes.
of it? So you
Yes.
can even draw the pentagon also. Okay. Now
Hexagon,
let's go to the
pentagon,
next.
pentagon.
Let's go to the next one. So anyone knows how to fly a cat?
No.
No.
Yeah,
No,
please.
I haven't tried it. I have only tried. I made a game like cat running. It
Okay.
runs and you press space button.
Okay.
It jumps. You have to
Okay.
jump over the cactuses. If the
Okay.
cat touches a cactus, you lose. Game over.
Okay. Okay. So let's see if Deepti ma'am is available. She will do how cat can fly. If there is an issue with the internet at her place, I will do it. So
Yes.
Deepi ma'am, do you think you will be able to do it?
Yeah, now I think it is stable. So let's try.
Yeah, fine, sure. You can share your screen.
Yeah. Yeah. So, hello, children. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good
So
evening.
let's make a game. Flying
Cat.
cat. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, we have to take a start button that you will find in trigger button.
And flag pressed.
Yeah. So in event you will find this,
I clicked.
or
Or start.
to make the cat in all 4 directions, we need to write the script differently. Okay. So this will you take. When you press this button up for up arrow key, we want the cat to goes up. Okay. So from here you take select up arrow. Understood, children? Now we want to change the costume of our cat. Okay. So go to costume.
Costume.
Yeah, this is costume tab.
Looks. Costume.
Yeah. I think some. Yeah. So now from the library, we can choose our costume. Yeah, for flying cat, which costume is good, children?
Cat flying costume.
Flying
Yeah.
cat.
For upward
Second
direction,
one.
I think this costume is good. Okay. So this is costume cat flying B. Okay. Now go to again code tab.
Right one.
Yes. Now for looks tab, we have here one switch costume to. Okay. Now switch costume to cat flying. Now to move the cat in motion. Okay. So for upward direction, always you take change Y by. Because this your stage is divided into 4 planes. XY plane. For upward it is positive Y and for downward it is negative Y. So change Y by 10. So let's see children how it works. When I press up arrow key, our cat goes up. Now same our cat should come down. So for that you should take down arrow key. Okay. Now for down arrow key, I need different costume. So go to costume. Now Here right click and you can take the duplicate of it. And you can flip it vertically. So this is good for down arrow. For down motion.
Other side.
Yeah. What do you say, children? For down arrow motion, is it good?
No.
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 So which one you want?
Up.
You can
No.
DP ma'am flip also. This one you can flip.
Flip,
Okay.
flip.
Horizontally we can flip it. Okay. This direction you need?
Yeah.
No.
So fine.
Fine. Okay.
Fine.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So name is cat flying B2. Again go to code tab. Code tab. Then from looks tab, switch costume to. From here you can
Flying.
this cat flying B2. Now for motion. Now this time children we are coming down. So for down
By
we need -10.
minus
For
10.
for down we need
-10.
minus. So let's see how it works. Now when I press down arrow key, it comes down. When I press up arrow key, it goes up. And as well as changing costume also. So same we want to write the script for left arrow and right arrow motion. For left and right motion also we want to write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for right arrow key, select the right arrow key. Then go to costume tab. Then from here, you can choose. See children. I think this one is good, na? Cat flying.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is cat
Yes.
flying A. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
A1.
Yes.
Cat flying A1.
So switch costume to cat
A1.
flying A. And now for motion, for right side, which one we should take, children?
Right arrow key.
Yeah, change X. For left and right, we always take X. And for right, it is +10. Okay. Now for left arrow key, same costume but in left side direction. So we can make the duplicate of it and we can flip it. See, for left direction, it should change the costume left side. It is A2. Now for left arrow key, we will take switch costume to A2. And for motion, always take for left side, change X by -10. Okay. Now let's see children how it works. For down arrow, it comes down. When I press left arrow key, it goes left side. When I press right arrow key, not working. What happened here? Yeah, because I didn't select right. Left, up, down, but right we didn't select here. Now it will work. Are you following children?
Yes.
ma'am.
For right arrow key, it goes right. For left arrow key, it goes left. Yeah, for Nancer, shall I create a that host game also?
Yeah, I think you can. If you have ready, probably you can show it, or you can create the ghost game also. I think we have a time. Yes.
Create an, so this understood children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
What this program is doing? Changing costume as well as changing the direction also. And moving according to your left arrow, right arrow and up arrow, down arrow key. So let's now make a new game children. We want to make a new game, ghost bat. Okay. So for ghost game, so first of all we have to change the backdrop. From here, we can choose the backdrop of our interest. Suppose for ghost arrow, which one is suitable, children? I think this one. Yeah, this one, no? Yes.
Castle, yes.
Okay. So, but sprite also we have to change. This sprite is not good, no? Okay.
Good.
So let's delete it from the delete button. And now, yeah, now choose the different sprite. So ghost game, which sprite is good? I think this.
Bat.
Okay. So bat game
Or ghost.
as a sprite. Okay. So what we want to do, children, here, we want to hide it. And so first of all, take the green flag button.
Green flag clicked.
Yes. Now in looks tab, you will find the hide. When you will click the green flag, this ghost will hide. Now, but for 1 second only. And again we want to show it. And we want to show it for again 1 second. Understood, children? Are you following? When we click the green flag, this ghost will hide for 1 second. Then it will again show for 1 second. Okay?
Yes.
So if you want to continue this process of hiding and showing for forever, so what we should do? You have to keep on adding these commands. These commands you have to keep on adding. Say yes, children.
Yes.
So for that, forever inbuilt block we have. You know na this block?
Yes.
This block forever means
It
whatever commands.
It does everything and everything
Keeps repeating the commands you given.
Yes, yes. Yes, whatever we keep inside this forever block, that will
It will keep repeating.
Yeah, it will keep repeating. So let's see. It is showing in hiding. Now, what we can add in this game, children? If we want to change the place of this sprite.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so how to change? See, we want or this go to, after hiding, go to X and Y different places. So we want to take it randomly. Scratch itself should take the position randomly. So here is a random block. So for left, same for left directions, we have minus 150 for minus 150 to 150. Same for Y, minus 150 to plus 150. So let's see. Children, it is changing place also. Here is a stop button, you can stop it. Now it is, when we click green flag, can you see, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you want to change the size also of the sprite, so here is one more button, more block, switch costume to, or you can say size. You want to change the size. This size also you want to change randomly. So if we choose 40 to 70, so it will not be too small and it will not be too big. See, children, now size also getting changed. Can you see? See here. You will see on the full screen. Now position as well as size also sprite has changed. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what else we can add in this?
Ghost.
When I click the ghost, I want my sprite to make a sound. Okay. So one more button is there. When this sprite is clicked, it should hide. As soon as I click the sprite, it should hide. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It hides after 1 second, but when I click the sprite, it should hide immediately. Okay. And it should make a sound. You can add sound also here. And
Ma'am,
here,
after costumes, there is a button sound, ma'am.
yeah, after looks, there is a tab of sound. In sound, you will get many sounds are there. Many blocks are there. Now let's check. See children, now when I click, it make a sound. It makes sound
Yeah, ma'am.
and hide. As soon as I click the sprite, it hides immediately. But if I don't click, it wait for 2 seconds. Okay. And what else we can add in this game? We can add more sprites. Even we can add the timer also. So let's see. I will show you. This is. See children here. Timer is also there on the stage and I have 2 sprites. And for both the sprites, script is there. When I click the ghost sprite, this script is for this sprite, and when I click bat ghost, it is for this.
Okay.
And when I click the stage, this is the script for stage, for timer. Can you
Okay,
see?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, 1 minute. Can you stay? I'm writing it down so I remember.
which one better?
The bat script.
Bat.
So I think we will share the recording. Okay, so as of now you focus. Okay, we'll share the recording so you will be able to see it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now let's see this game, children. When I press green button, green flag, timer start from 20 and score is also there.
4 by 1.
Oh, it seems I am very poor. Yeah, my score is only 1. No, 2. Can you see children?
Yes.
Yes.
We can add score and as well as we can add timer to the stage also. Now one more projects we have. Yes, children, for mathematics even. When I click this green flag, my sprite asks a number. Suppose I type 56 and enter. So my sprite will wait for 1 second and it will tell number is whether it is even or odd. So 56 is even or odd.
Even.
So it means
Even.
sprite is also saying 56 is even. So like this, even mathematic projects also you can create in your Scratch. Okay.
Yes.
Now, Nayan sir, now you can take.
Yes, sure. Thanks a lot, DP ma'am. Thanks a lot for giving this 3 wonderful example.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Now,
you.
let me share a screen.
Yeah.
Now I want to give you again, small demo on one of the helicopter game. Let's see. So we
Okay,
have
sir.
seen the flying cat. Now we will talk about this helicopter game. So wherever I click on a laptop, helicopter will fly. Okay, let's see. So I will, just interest of a time, I will quickly, add this up. Open it here. Okay, so let me go to the full screen. So what will happen whenever I click on a laptop? Helicopter will fly. I'm able to control it using my up arrow, right arrow key, and it stays there. I click on a bow tie, tie will rotate. When I click on a glasses, color will change. So I'm just giving an example or one more game. Okay, so like this you will be able to make, you know, many games. So if you see for this, we have a, you know, script here. For each and everything we have a script. Here you can see this is a script for a laptop, this is a script for a rock, this is a script for a helicopter. Okay, so like this you will be able to learn, you know, many things in this course, and we are planning to teach you many games and many quizzes also. And you know, if you see the overall, this is a contained, there are like around 10 units, and it will take around 15 hours to, you know, complete the course. And we are planning to have a, you know, this course maybe like, you know, Monday and Thursday, every day 1 hour. Okay, and then basically, you know, that way we'll finish full 15 hours and we'll be able to complete the entire course. And at the end of the course you'll be able to learn how to make a game, how to, you know, do different strategy, how to make a greeting cards. If you want to give it to your, you know, sister, brother, or mom or dad for their birthday or anything, all these things you can do it. So I mean, that's it from my side mainly. Mukund sir, you would like to take it over?
Yes, thank you, Nayan sir.
Yeah.
So I hope children you were able to understand what Scratch is and what all you can do using Scratch.
Yeah.
Of course, you can do anything and everything. As I mentioned earlier, not only games, right? You can create stories. You can have 2 or more sprites or characters talking to each other. They can talk, literally talk. You know, they can converse with each other, and you know, we can create animations, make them move here and there. You can create your own quizzes, math quizzes. So,
They
so
conversate with
yeah.
conversate with you.
With
Like-
with the characters using Scratch, you can create a story.
Yes.
Right, so for example, you know, if you take 2 or 3 sprites or 2 or 3 characters in Scratch, you know, you want to create a story, they can talk to each other also. You can broadcast a message to another sprite, and that sprite will reply to that sprite again. So you can create stories, you can make them move around, you can, you know, do a lot of things, animate
They can
animations,
chat with
etc. Yes, I meant to
They can
say they can chat with each other. Yes, correct. Okay, you can create stories, not only games, stories, art, right? You can create different shapes. You can make them repetitive. You know, the shapes can be repetitive. We can create patterns. You saw in the video, right? What I showed you earlier, correct?
Yes.
But that's only you can do all of that only when you learn the basics of. I mean, when you learn all the commands
Basics
that
of
the blocks are.
Scratch.
Sorry.
Basics of Scratch.
Correct. Basics of Scratch. With that, once you learn to do or use all those blocks or the commands, then you can take it further and do whatever you want with that. Right? But it is important that you learn all of these commands so that you can use them to do whatever you want. Right? So that is what we plan to teach in this course. So by the end of 15 classes, you will have 2 classes every week, every Monday and Thursday, starting next week for 1 hour. So 2 hours every week for 15 classes. So about 7 weeks that you will have this course.
5
And yeah,
I have classes like from 11 to 11:45,
hmm.
10:45, 12
Yeah,
to
this is at 5
12:45.
o'clock, Adit.
Yes.
Okay, it's from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock every Monday and Thursday. Starting next Monday, 24th of August, we plan to start this course, and it will be on Zoom. And I think for the parents, I think the fees is put on the slide for you to, you know, for you to decide whether you want kids to join the course. And Nayan, if you can put the WhatsApp thing, please, for them to. Yes. So this is the WhatsApp group. You know, a code. If you are interested, you can, you know, get on to this WhatsApp group so that, you know, we know that you are interested to join the course. This recording or the slides, everything will be shared with you after we finish this this demo class. So automatically you'll get an email with the recording of whatever we have taught you today and how to join the course as well. So you can get onto the WhatsApp group, and if interested, and in that way we will know that that you want to join the course, right? So
Yes.
any questions from the parents and the kids?
It'll be sent automatically. The
Yes, it will
WhatsApp
come by
message.
email. The whatever email that you registered this demo class for, the same email, you will get an email from Nayan sir with the recording of this completely, so that you'll know how to join the course. Okay.
Who's there?
Hello.
Yes.
This is the app Sketch, no?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You will. There is a number also, mobile number that is there that Nayan sir is showing you on the screen. Okay. You can contact him or by email, whichever, and then let us know if you're interested to join the course. As I said, the recording will come to you by email, so that you will know how to take this further. Okay. Otherwise, you can feel free to contact us directly, whichever.
Sir, can you show the WhatsApp email again?
Yes.
So you need to go to the camera and put it in front of this, picture. It will automatically add you to the group.
Yes. So for everyone who has joined this meeting today, registered, Nayan sir will send an email to all of you with the same slides and everything. So you'll be able to join us that way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. So any other questions otherwise?
Okay.
Okay. Feel free to contact us directly if at all you have any questions, and we will see, depending on the number of people who are joining this course, then we will take it further. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Anything else, Nayan sir and Deepi ma'am?
No, sir. Thank you.
Nothing,
All
nothing
right.
from Frank. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah,
so
thanks
much,
a lot.
kids,
Thank you very
for
much.
joining us today. Really appreciate.
Thank you, sir.
We will.
Thank you.
I will
Thank you,
assure
sir,
you.
assignment.
I will assure you we'll make it interesting for
Okay.
you. Okay. All right. Okay. Have a nice day. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Mukund sir. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, kids.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Nayan sir, Mukund. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.